The sum of three numbers following one another, a plus b and c, is 51. But there's something else we know about these three numbers. We know that they're following each other. So that means that n plus, if they're following each other, if a is n, then b is n plus 1. And c is n plus 2 equals 51. Well, now we just use our skills in algebra. How many n's have we got? 3 n's. And how many numbers have we got? 3n plus 3 equals 51. So we can simplify that by getting 3n plus 3 minus 3 equals 51 minus 3. We subtract 3 from both sides of the equation, so we get n by itself. That gives us 48. So 3 times n equals 48. So n must equal 48 divided by 3, which is 1/16. So now I know my first number. My first number must be 16. Giving me that my second number must be 17, giving me that my third number must be 18. So this was using our skills of algebra to solve that question. Another way of thinking about it is, if all of these numbers are following each other, then I can actually work out what the middle number is by dividing. I've got three numbers. 51 divided by 3. 3's go into 5 one time, 2 left over. 3's go into 21 17 times. So this tells me that my middle number must be 17 by just dividing 51 by 3. So the number just before it must be 16, and the number just after it must be 18. I do a little check of that. Does 16 plus 17 plus 18 all add up to be 51? 8 and 7, 15. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it does. So this is not using my skills in algebra, the second method. This one is using the skills in algebra. This one will give you A-level points if you can solve it like this. This method will give you E-level points if you can solve it like this. So lower quality points when you just solve it like that. General solution usually gives you higher numbers, higher points.